Hi everybody, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits that I'm planning to use for October. So for October of this year, there are 5 weeks that fall predominantly in the month of October, so I will have 5 kits to talk about today. The first of those weeks is September 30th through October 6th, so the first, mostly just October in that week, except for the Monday. I will be doing a bit of traveling and some other things going on, but I kind of wanted to start leaning into the spooky vibes. So this kit is from Lovely Planner blog, and it's called Halloween Skeleton. And I thought that it would be really perfect for this week because it's kind of like a lot of the little sayings and stuff make it feel like early Halloween season. Like this one that says it's never too early for Halloween. So I thought that that would be really good to use for this week, and I really like the colors, and they're definitely fall colors. So excited to be using that. The second of the weeks is October 7th through 13th. For this weekend, I decided to use this kit from Planner One Love. It's called Witchy Mood, and it definitely has a lot of like the purples and the witchy vibes. And I like the little bits of this kind of corally pink color mixed in. That's definitely very fun. And something unexpected. I only printed off page 1. There is a second page to this kit that I just chose to not print because I feel like this will cover everything that I really need for this week, and then I can also actually use some of the stuff from my stash, which I am excited about as well. For the third week, sorry, my laptop fell asleep. For the third week is October 14th through 20th. And for this week, I actually only pulled out full boxes. So I have this B&R Paper Crafts full box set that's Harley Quinn themed. So I thought that it might be fun to use, and then just pull in a bunch of miscellaneous things from my stash because basically all the colors are in here. So I can make a really fun, super colorful week just to go in the middle of the year, which seems pretty fun. Middle of the year, middle of the month. The fourth week is October 21st through 27th. And for that week, I'm going to be using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables called Cute Halloween. In case it wasn't obviously clear already, I'm definitely leaning in a lot to the purple and black vibes this year. But I just feel like that's a super fun kind of spoopy option. And this kit is so cute with the little spoopy ghosts and stuff like that. Definitely very excited to be using it, and I think that's going to be really fun for that week. And then lastly, we have October 28th through November 3rd, so this covers actual Halloween. And for that week, I'm going to use this kit from Organized Potato called Kawaii Halloween. I have used this kit at some point in the past, but it's been a while, and I'm excited to use it again and again. Kind of pulls into that purple and black color, but we also get some of the other traditional like orange and this lime green color. It is very Halloween-y, so I thought it would be perfect for that week. So this is the 5 kits, or I guess full boxes for that 1 week that I'm going to use for October. I'm very excited for all of them. I have a very busy month, but hopefully it's gonna look super cute in my planner. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what you are excited for in October, what kits you're excited to use, what kits you're excited to see me use. If you don't have anything that you want to say, leave me some sort of like jack-o'-lantern emoji or a ghost, really something Halloween-y just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads using all these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.